Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to invite players to a party on the PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So the voice chat on the PlayStation 5 is a little bit different now. To invite someone to a party, it's very easy. All you have to do is press the PlayStation button, open up the control center, and then go to the game base right here. Now scroll on down to the party, which is the headset option, the middle option right here. Then go to Start Party. Now choose Open Party. Or you could do a Closed Party, which you'll have to create a new message group, which will be only joinable by the people in the message group. Then you can invite more people to the group. But let's go to Open Party in this example. Then you can go down to Invite Players. Select the players you want to send an invite to. So let's choose someone to invite to the party. Let's choose this person, and then go to OK. Now I can see their icon right next to who's invited, and I can go to Require Request to Join Party. So they can't just join unless they send me a request to join. So let's go to Start Party now. Now when the party's already created, I can go to this player plus icon right here, Invite Players, to invite more people to my party. So I can go back to my friends list or play together and invite additional people to my party. So it's very easy to do. Now, if you do have a friend and you want to invite them to a party and just create a quick party with them, you can go to their name and there will be an icon next to it. That is a voice chat option. So it says Join Party. And I can go ahead and just join their party quickly. Then I can add additional people to that party. So it's very easy to go ahead and invite more people to your party chat. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.